Why Elon Musk sold 75% of Tesla's Bitcoin. Tesla has sold a significant portion of its cryptocurrency holdings after making headlines last year when it revealed a significant investment in Bitcoin. The company, which is the world's second largest manufacturer of electric vehicles, exchanged 75% of its holdings in Bitcoin, which has plummeted in value in recent months. Tesla announced in February 2021 that it had purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin in order to diversify its balance sheet away from cash and maximize returns. Then in May, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the company would stop accepting Bitcoin for Tesla purchases, just 2 months after it began. Following Musk's decision, the price of Bitcoin fell by more than 4%. According to Tesla's balance sheet, it had $218 million in digital assets net as of June 30th, compared to approximately $1.2 billion in the previous 3 quarters and $1.3 billion in the quarter ending June 30th, 2021. Although Bitcoin is presumably the majority of Tesla's remaining digital assets, Musk stated on an earnings call that Tesla had not sold its Dogecoin. According to TechCrunch, Musk has stated that he personally owns Dogecoin, but Tesla has not stated that it does. In July, Tesla sold $936 million of the world's largest cryptocurrency during its second fiscal quarter, which is worth approximately $2 billion at the end of 2021. In February, it was revealed that the firm had invested $1.5 billion in cryptocurrency, causing a surge in demand and increasing the value of Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, with Bitcoin hitting an all-time high of nearly $70,000 in November 2021. It is currently trading for less than $25,000. The announcement follows an unsteady end to Tesla's second quarter of 2020, in which the company's profit fell 32% from record levels earlier this year. Profits have fallen as a result of the company's inability to meet demand as a result of the closure of its Shanghai factory and production issues in other plants. According to Reuters, Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated in June that he had a super bad feeling about the economy and that the company needed to lay off 10% of its salaried employees. Musk stated that the sale of Tesla's Bitcoin holding was done to maximize the company's cash position during this period of uncertainty. During an earnings call, Musk stated that the move should not be interpreted as a verdict on Bitcoin. Tesla representative said on an investor call, "We converted a majority of our Bitcoin holdings to fiat for a realized gain, offset by impairment changes on the remainder of our holdings, netting a $106 million cost to the P&L included within the restructuring." Musk chimed in, explaining that Tesla's decision to convert its Bitcoin holdings was not a verdict on Bitcoin, but was made to improve its cash position due to uncertainty in China over COVID-19 restrictions, which impacted its Shanghai gigafactory. Musk said, "The reason that we sold a bunch of our Bitcoin holdings was that uncertainty as to when the COVID lockdowns in China would alleviate, so it was important for us to maximize our cash position, given the uncertainty of the COVID lockdowns in China." He then added, "We are certainly open to increasing our coin holdings in the future, so this should not be taken as some verdict on Bitcoin. It's just that we were concerned about overall liquidity, given the COVID shutdowns in China, and we have not sold any of our Dogecoin." Tesla reported total Model S and X production, as well as Model 3 and Y production, reached 258,580 in quarter 2, up 25% year-on-year. Total deliveries increased by 27% year-on-year to 254,695. However, production in the second quarter was down 17% from the previous quarter, and it delivered 55,000 fewer vehicles. Tesla stated that manufacturing challenges remain due to COVID shutdowns, global supply disruptions, labor shortages and logistics and other complications, which limited our ability to constantly run our factories at full capacity. On top of that, Tesla stopped accepting Bitcoin as payment for its vehicles last year due to concerns about Bitcoin's environmental impact. Musk tweeted at the time of the announcement that he would not be selling the Bitcoin Tesla owned. Is this recent news an indication that the billionaire tech entrepreneur has changed his mind about cryptocurrency? Possibly. Dr. Constantino Stiliano, professor in competition law and regulation in the University of Leeds, with a focus on digital markets, told Euronews Next, "The thing about Elon is that nobody really knows what he's thinking." Meanwhile, Dr. Garrick Heilman, a blockchain and cryptocurrency researcher at the London School of Economics, notes, "It is reasonable to accept that Musk sold its Bitcoin holdings due to the liquidity position of the company and concerns about China, rather than any material change in their view of Bitcoin or holding Bitcoin on their balance sheet." Musk also addressed whether the company would lower prices after raising them by 10% across the board in June due to inflation, as Electrek reported at the time. In a nutshell, yes, but it is dependent on inflation, which is beyond Musk's control. Due to the 6-month to 1-year delay between order and delivery, Musk stated that Tesla must anticipate what the probable inflation rate is over that period of time. He said, "When or if we see indications that the inflation rate is declining, then we would not need to increase our car prices. It's possible there could be a slight decrease in car prices, but this is fundamentally dependent on macroeconomic inflation." Musk believes inflation will begin to fall by the end of 2022, but cautioned that his prediction should be taken with a grain of salt.